Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, most wearing, most demanding, beautiful and trendy women crochet long dress designs, different ideas, different color combination contrasts. Beautiful designs, beautiful colors and ideas you can see in this my video. Please friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can wear these very beautiful crocheted long dress designs in the birthday party or wedding party with matching shoes designs, matching shoes colors. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of crocheted long dress designs, beautiful color combination contrasts you can see, different designing ideas, beautiful shapes, stylish maxi designs, long dress designs. Every design is different one another, beautiful and trendy women crocheted long dresses. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet, about women fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories you can see also. If you want to buy this very beautiful women crocheted long dress design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Highly running ideas, highly running patterns you can see in this my video. Beautiful designing ideas you can see, flower patterns, knitted patterns, easy to make, easy to wash, beautiful and trendy crochet long dress designs for stylish ladies. Give your feedback in the comment section about my collection. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.